After the video of my daughter's bouncy hair went viral on Instagram, so many of you have asked for me to show you how we achieved this wash and go hair. I'm gonna attempt to do that in this video, but please be ready for some awkward silence because I am not able to talk through all this video. We started with old twist hair and we washed with the Aussie Miracle Volume and then conditioned with the Maui Moisture Shea Butter Hair Mask. Detangle very well because that's the first important step. This makes the rest of the steps super easy. We're using the Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in conditioner. The hair steamer is going to be on the whole process because it's very important to continue to introduce moisture to the hair. If the hair dries out, your wash and go will not come out as expected. After applying my leave-in conditioner, I go in with my whipped shea butter. This is my DIY project. If you like it, let me know and I can make a video about it. But I work that in. Next, I go in with my oil mix. Those who have been following us for a while know that we love our jojoba oil and our castor oil mix. So we work that in as well. As you can see, the hair has no tangles because it's been properly detangled and the steam is helping the moisture really seep through, making combing super easy. So now that all the moisturizing products are in, we're going to use some curling products. We're using this Maui Moisture mousse to define the curls. I work it in, I press it in, and make sure that every strand is soaked. As I work it in, her curls begin to form. You can see her hair really curling up, and that's what we want to see. This is an extra step. I can skip it, but I am extra, so I add a little bit of the S-Curl styling gel to even define her curls further. After that, we're doing some finger coils. This is to help the strands really define and make the hair super bouncy. We could leave it as it is, but these extra steps make sure that the hair looks very full and voluminous and bouncy. I am doing this voiceover at night, so at this point I'm beginning to feel my night voice come in. So if you hear the bass, please ignore it. I'm just trying to do what I can. This is the only time that I have to do this voiceover, so we're gonna do it. Showing you the same process from the front. The hair already has leave-in conditioner in. We're going in with my whipped shea butter. I'm pressing it in, making sure that each strand is soaked and very moisturized. Then again, I go in with my oil mix, rub it in while the steamer is working, and press it in and make sure that all the strands are soaked. Next, we go in with our mousse, give it a few pumps, massage it in, and make sure that it's soaked into the hair. This is the step that actually defines most of your curls. The moisturizing is great because it keeps your hair moisturized in the course of the days that you have your wash and go in, but this is the curl defining step. Again, the styling gel just for extra bounciness and extra curls. We're going in with the S-Curl styling gel, working it in, pressing it in, and making sure that every strand gets soaked. If you heard nothing from this video, remember every strand got to be soaked. And at this point, my baby is up, so I don't know if we can finish this voiceover, but we're gonna try. Again, here we're doing the finger coiling process. This whole head took us about 30 minutes to do the moisturizing and the finger coiling. I think it was pretty fast, given that usually when we do twist, it takes us an hour and a half to twist her entire head. And that's about it. We are done. I wanted to dry it a little bit, but we did not have a diffuser. So I used the blow dryer that we have, just going into the roots and drying it. It didn't do much, so I took her outside. It was a beautiful summer day and the sun did its work, but you can see the joy on her face because this was the first time and she loved it. I am going to link all products that we used in the description. Comment any questions. Let me know what you guys are thinking. Are you gonna try it? If you do try, let us know how it comes out. Thank you all for watching. Like, comment,
it's nice,
and subscribe,
right?
and see you in the next video.